Hey besties! Today we're getting into some real talk mama content. I'm gonna show you my manual pump routine. Honestly, it's such a vibe for when you want to keep things low-key and easy. So, check out this little lifesaver. This is my manual pump. I'm literally obsessed because it's so quiet and tiny. Perfect for a girl on the go. I pop the shield on so it's perfectly centered. Now, we start with the flick. Just short, quick little taps on the handle. We're basically just waking things up and waiting for that letdown. Once the magic starts happening and the milk is flowing, I switch to long, slow pulls. I squeeze all the way in, hold it for a sec, and then let it go. It's all about that rhythm, babe. I usually chill like this for about 10 minutes. It's super relaxing once you get the hang of it, and honestly, it's the perfect time for a little main character reflection. Period. Look at all that liquid gold. My body really did that. I'm just gonna cap this bottle and we're officially ready for whatever the day throws at us. Hope this helped you mamas feel more confident. You're literally doing the most and you're killing it. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to sub and join the fam. Love you, mean it.